In EGPRS, signaling procedures and the corresponding messages from and to SGSN are the same as for GPRS. They can be transmitted on ABIS, as in GPRS, according to supplier-specific decisions, using different formats. Ordinary LAP-D TRX signaling channels, PCU frames, PDTCH or PACCH as 16 kilobit per second PCU frames, or derivatives of TRAL frames used for carrying RLC MAC frames, data and signaling, and some in-band PCU BTS signaling bits in the PCU frame overhead. Beside this, the packet signaling channels like packet paging channel or packet access grant channel can also be used in the air interface, as they have been used in GPRS networks. By means of these channels, a higher signaling load on the air interface can be supported.